Drag and drop PDFs, CSVs, MDs, EPUBs, docs, MP3s, MP4s, any sources you have into your library. Connect your Google Drive, Zotero, SharePoint, etc. Ask Otio to capture diagrams or tables directly from a source. Add as many chats as you need in your workspace. Then pick your favorite model, from fast to expert, to start your research. Ask Otio directly in Reader View to save yourself time for the actual writing. Every answer traces back to the source. Choose between split view or single view when working in Otio. You can also ask Otio what it can see in the library. Then click the drop-down to see the steps Otio is taking to reach an answer. Separate your projects or research into different workspaces so they don't bleed into each other and stay organized. You can also easily view your chat history and open old chats to continue a train of thought from the past. Once you are happy with an answer, generate a file you can easily download, such as a PDF or PowerPoint. You can also create notes as you go that are easily editable. Keep all your work and research in one place. Otio 2.0 out now.